Hello everyone, this is Pearl from Deals with Lady P. Welcome back to the channel, and if you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I am participating in the Fall DIY Decor Challenge hosted by Christina from the DIY Mommy. And she has asked us to create a fall DIY and fall decor. So today I am participating and I want to show you what I have come up with. But before I do, I want to say thank you from Christina for hosting this collaboration. And also, I'm going to leave a link below to the DIY Mommy channel in the description box below and all the participants that are participating in this challenge. And make sure you go over to Christina's channel and also the playlist and watch the participants. I know you will be pleased with all the different creations that everyone have came up with and some beautiful fall ideas. And if you have not already done so, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Deals with Lady P family. I would sure love to have you. And also hit that notification button that you be notified of all the videos as they come out. And I just want to show you what I have created for the fall. So keep on watching. Okay, I'm going to be using this box. This is a box that I've been using for a while. I brought it for a Happy Easter sign, and I've been showing you, I'm going to show you how I just cover that sign up in different ways just to use it for different occasions. And then I'm going to use this Dollar Tree candle holder and a candle. And then I'm going to use this ribbon that I had from last year. It's really pretty, have leaves on it. It's like a brownish tone with cream color or gold leaves in it. I thought it was really pretty, and this was left over in the fall box. And then I purchased one, try to get like two of these. And these are called hydrangeas, should know that. And these are called hydrangeas, and I got two of those. And then I have two of the sunflowers. See how pretty they are? And I actually took this ribbon to the Dollar Tree to see what flowers that I would like with it. So I got two of those, and hopefully I have enough flowers. And I think this is another one of those. I guess I got one too. And then I also have these dahlias, and these are really pretty. These like with a gold tone. I thought this would be pretty, and it'll match the candle really good. So I have two of those. And then this is another sunflower. So I guess I got three sunflowers. But these are the flowers I'm going to be using. I'm also going to be using my glue gun. I believe I'm going to need that. And wire cutters. So I'm going to get started, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to put this together. So these are from AC Moore, and I already cut. I also cut out like you can see that, a shape for my candle holder to go in there. So we're going to put that in last though. But first I'm going to cover up this Easter sign. So what I plan on doing, and hopefully it come out right, I want to take this, like last year I put some leaves around it. And this, I wanted to make a bow and kind of wrap it around. I want to wrap it around, and I kind of folded the bow. I think I'm going to have to glue them a little bit though, but this is what my intentions on doing. I have to turn it around to show you. Move this stuff out of the way. Let's move this stuff over here. Okay, so I want to cover this up, but I'm going to turn it around just so I can see what I'm doing. So I think I'm gonna have to glue it, and it comes off. So I don't know, I just had a intention to make a bow here, do something to make it look nice. So I'm gonna try to put this on the back of here, just to glue a little bit. Now we can get started. I'm gonna put this here so I can see what I'm gonna do around it. I think I'm gonna put I don't know if I'm gonna put the gold ones around it. Let's see, or the flowers around it. Let's see. These on the side. I like these on the side. Okay. My camera stopped on me and I had a sunflower left, so I put a sunflower here in the back as well. And here go the front. And I could have used, which I didn't have to, could have used one more floral. But what I did was I just kind of moved them around and took some out and put some in just to fill in the spaces. And plus you could do a lot of bending too. So this is the back. That's the back. And this will be your front. And I think it came out, I'm really pleased with it. It came out very pretty, and I'm glad that I took the ribbon to Dollar Tree with me to pick out the flowers. I really love the way it came out, and it's very pretty. And I already had the candle to match it, so hopefully you can see this. I'm going to take the camera off the tripod and give you a close-up look at it. So this is where I decided to place my fall centerpiece on my kitchen table. And it looks really pretty here, and I got 2 wooden candles on each side with pumpkins and orange to match the candle. And they're really pretty, and I just want to thank Christina from DIY Mommy for hosting this collaboration. And I am so glad I was able to participate. Thank you all for watching. Be blessed, everyone, to be a blessing. Bye bye. See you all on the next video.